Hi, David. This is a short video. I wanted to give you an overview of how the my profile and my dating preferences works on the back end. And what we've already built is a set of questions and answers to select. I used the Hinge app to build some of this, and some of these questions are the default questions um, in the dating tool that we've built. And I wanted to just give you a run through. This is going to be an area where we will need your input. Um, if you have any additional questions, we'll need that from you. And if there are certain questions that we have that you don't want, we'll need to remove those. And perhaps some of the lists that we've created need to be changed. We need that information as well. So just real quick, Hinge is interesting because they say things like my vitals, my virtues, my vices. So I picked up on that and I've created some of that information in these lists as well. So my vital information includes things like gender, where you pick male or female. Pronouns seem to be important nowadays. And in Hinge, they have a list starting with she, her, hers. So I just copied that. Sexuality, uh, I picked those choices up from Hinge, although they have a lot more. I just didn't add that in. Age, height, ethnicity. I also copied that from Hinge. We've got marital status, children, and then COVID. My virtues, things like work, job title, school, education level, religious beliefs, etc. Pulled those in from Hinge, so they are the same. Here's a section called My Personality, and we can change that. My Personality has things like a few prompt questions, such as teach me something about, and you fill in the blank. And then you have things in that may or may not be relevant. You'll need to let me know, but things like figure, skin color, eyes, hair length, style, physically, this comes as a default as part of the package. Questions related to your interest, if it's reading, music, and sports. Your vices, I called my habits being drinking, smoking, marijuana, drugs. So that's that. And then the dating preferences. The dating preferences and your profile are going to have to match a little bit. And what I mean by that is we will create a matching engine so that when you fill out your profile and you put gender, male, and your dating preference is female, then we know that you're anyway, we'll be able to know what your gender is and what your dating preference gender is, and that'll be one of the first matches that we will look for, or fields that we will look for in order to find a match. And so we're going to build a match engine, and that's another thing that we will talk about. What are the questions that we're going to use to identify your match? My guess is we'll start with a few questions like gender. I don't even know what other questions, like marital. We'll pick something. So gender, maybe your interests or something. I don't know. But that is a question that we'll work out. So I just wanted to give you an overview that we've created this my profile and my dating preferences system. We are going to use that system in the app so that your users will fill that out, and then the matching engine will be built on those answers that are given and what's important as well. So I'll have more to share about that. Just wanted to give you an overview of the back end. I'm also going, if you have any questions, let me know. We'll get into the details of this in terms of getting your input. That'll be part of the process as well. So talk to you soon.